This monster machine is the biggest farm tractor in the world. Tractors have remained as one of the highly useful agricultural machines. Ever since the first tractor was invented in 1892, it has changed the shape of agricultural sector. While there are giant tractors with massive power, none comes close to Big Bud 747. Justifying its name, Big Bud 747 is the biggest farm tractor in the world. Built in 1977 by Ron Harmon and the Northern Manufacturing Company, Big Bud is one-of-a-kind tractor, measuring 27 feet length, 20 feet wide, and 14 feet tall. To complement its giant body, the tires of Big Bud were custom-made by the United Tire Company of Canada. Each tire has a diameter of 8 feet. It is twice as big than the biggest four-wheel drive tractors. The legendary tractor weighs more than 135,000 pounds at its peak. Big Bud is not only mammoth in size, it is equally powerful as well. Its Detroit Diesel 16V92T 16-cylinder peaks at 1,100 horsepower.
Operate this machine and what kind of control system do you have here on the dashboard?
To give you an idea of its sheer power, world's fastest car Koenigsegg Agera has 1,341 horsepower engine. The Big Bud can work more than 1 acre per minute, which is a feat in itself. The William brothers, last owner of the tractor, used it for pulling an 80-foot cultivator. It was retired in 2009 after a marvelous career, spanning across 4 decades. Big Bud is now showcased in Heartland Museum in Clarion, Iowa. To date, Big Bud is remembered as the biggest tractor in the world.